CLARKE, AI-powered disaster response tool from Texas A&M. In the aftermath of a disaster, every second counts. And now, a powerful new tool from Texas A&M University is revolutionizing how emergency crews assess the damage. Meet CLARKE, short for Computer Vision and Learning for Analysis of Roads and Key Edifices. This cutting-edge system uses artificial intelligence and drone footage to evaluate the condition of roads, buildings, and other critical infrastructure within minutes. Developed by a research team led by Ph.D. candidate Tom Manzini and rescue robotics expert Dr. Robin Murphy, CLARKE is designed for speed and scale. Imagine analyzing 2,000 homes in just 7 minutes. That speed can save lives. CLARKE has already been field tested during the 2024 hurricane season, assisting emergency teams in Florida and Pennsylvania after Hurricanes Debby and Helene. But CLARKE's real power lies in its AI, named in homage to sci-fi writer Arthur C. Clarke. The system earned its name after drone operators dubbed its machine learning abilities magic. Yet there's no mystery, just advanced tech. By processing aerial footage, CLARKE can pinpoint damaged buildings, map dangerous roadways, and even generate detailed spreadsheets with addresses and damage levels. It includes a built-in route planner to help responders avoid blocked paths, vital for getting aid where it's needed most. The system was trained using images from over 21,000 homes across 10 major disasters, including Hurricanes Harvey and Ian. This means it's well-equipped to handle various scenarios, from hurricanes and floods to wildfires. In remote or rural areas where traditional damage assessment can take days, CLARKE makes it possible to launch a drone and receive a full damage report in minutes, even if communication networks are down. For rural counties, this is a game changer, says David Merrick of Florida State University. Instead of waiting for data, local officials can act immediately. Interest in CLARKE is growing fast. A recent training event in Florida expected 20 participants, but nearly 100 emergency responders showed up. The session helped demonstrate how accessible and effective this AI tool is in the field. CLARKE's journey began in 2022 and continues to evolve. After its successful deployment in 2024, the team participated in a simulation exercise in April 2025, gathering crucial feedback to further improve the system. Dr. Murphy believes the technology's potential goes far beyond current use cases. We're just getting started. We've already uncovered deeper challenges in AI interpretation of disaster imagery, challenges that also apply to fields like medical imaging. From drones to disaster zones, CLARKE is setting a new standard in emergency response: fast, smart, and built for the moments that matter most. Would you like a shorter version for a 60-second reel or some engaging on-screen text prompts to go with this?